Your 20s are the perfect time to start building the foundation for financial freedom. But most people wait too long to start saving or investing, thinking they have time. The truth is, starting early gives you the power of compound interest and a huge edge in securing your future. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start saving, investing, and budgeting today so you can build wealth for the future. Step 1. Start saving early. Even if it's just a small amount, putting money away each month will add up. Open a high-yield savings account and set up automatic transfers. The goal is to start building that habit now. And over time, you'll build a cushion that can protect you in emergencies and set you up for bigger financial goals. Step 2. Budgeting. Creating a budget is the key to knowing where your money goes. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Apps like Mint can help you see where you're spending and where you can cut back. Once you have a clear budget, you'll have more control over your finances and know exactly where your money is going. Step 3. Investing. Many people think investing is only for the wealthy, but that's far from true. You can start small by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. The key is to start now and let your money grow over time. Use platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or Vanguard to begin investing without needing a lot of capital. Here's the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money will work for you. Even small investments made early in your 20s can grow exponentially over time. Think of it like planting seeds. You water them now, and they'll grow into something big over time. Start small, but start now. Set up a savings plan, create a budget, and begin investing today. No matter how small the amount, the earlier you start, the easier it will be to achieve financial freedom in your 30s and beyond. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today.